Hey there, I'm Gigi and welcome to Cooking with Precious Gigi. Today I am making a meatloaf, so I've got the hamburger in there already with a little bit of butter and other seasonings. And what I'm going to do is add to it, I'm going to put an egg in there to help keep it together. And then I'm going to put some of this Trinity mix in there. It's tomato, celery, and onions. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in there. And then I'm doing some of this Southwestern style salsa. If you watched some of my other videos, you saw that I like this because it's got a little bit of everything in there. And then I'm going to take and put some panko breadcrumbs in there to help keep it together. Okay. So then I just take and mix it all up. That's why I've got the gloves on. It's easier to mix it up with your hands and with a spoon or whatever. I put some of Gigi's Precious all-purpose seasoning in there as well. Now, my 4-year-old grandson and 93-year-old father love when I put this seasoning in there because it gives it some really good flavor, but it's not spicy. I'm going to use some Hunt's fire roasted diced tomatoes, and I'm going to put it on the bottom here. And see, it's got all sorts of stuff in there now. Take and put it together, mold it together. More Gigi's Precious all-purpose seasoning on top, just to add a little bit more. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the rest of these tomatoes on top. Fire roasted tomatoes on top. Then I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it at 350 for about an hour or till it's done. Okay, so what I'm going to make with the meatloaf is some potatoes. So I'm putting this butter in here with the potatoes. And this butter is Kerrygold garlic and butter herb. Okay, so I'm going to put that in there. Go ahead and put it on the eye here. And then I'm going to take some more of this Southwest salsa and put it in here too to give it some different tasting seasoning. And then some more of the Trinity mix. And then some of the Gigi's Precious all-purpose seasoning, a bit of salt in there as well, just to make sure that it's good to go. Make sure you put it over your shoulders too, for good luck. Can't ever remember if it's the right shoulder or the left shoulder that you throw some salt on. And also too, just to let you know, I'm doing Southwestern style corn and sweet peas, and that's what's in this pot. And so I'm going to finish putting the rest of this Southwestern salsa in there, just to give it a little bit more flavor. And then of course, Gigi's Precious all-purpose seasoning will go in there as well. Okay. So once everything's done cooking, I'll come back and show you. So everything is done. As you can see, the potatoes, the corn and peas, and then the meatloaf. So what I'm going to do now is take some of my fairy dust and put a little bit on there. On the vegetables, I'm going to put the pink and also on the potatoes. And then on the meatloaf, I'm going to put a little bit of purple fairy dust on there just to make it a little different. Okay. And so there you go. It's a Sunday dinner with meatloaf, potatoes, and vegetables. And please go to Cooking with Precious Gigi to buy some of this Gigi's Precious All-Purpose Seasoning that you could put on anything like I showed you here. And I thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.